guys, so I just kind of wanted to give you some information before it just like jumps into the cleaning part. For some reason, my upload from my camera to the computer has created everything going faster, so all the audio parts that I'm explaining what I'm doing, other than this one clip that you're gonna see next, everything's already sped up. So I'm gonna try and do some voiceovers if I need. Other than that, it's just basically me cleaning up this beauty room and moving things around. So hopefully you enjoy it, and don't forget to thumbs up and share and like and all that great stuff. I guess like and thumbs up, same thing, isn't it? Subscribe, that's what I want you to do. Alright, bye guys. Alright, here's the classic tower thing that I have. That's a disaster. And then this is my desk. And that's what that looks like. Disaster. And there's one of the towers of makeup. The floor, I got empty products and other things. This, I have a tapestry that's falling down. And then my kids were in here while I was gone, so there's a little bit of a mess. And up there's a mess, so this tower's a mess. I'll just quickly, oop. This whole closet's a disaster. This is a disaster. There's clothes on the ground. Again, editing, so we definitely need to do something about this. Because it's bad. So bad. So, I'm going to get a game plan together, and I will be right back. this to this side. I'm going to get some curtains for the closet. And then this is on this side. I don't know how I feel about it. This is still here underneath the window. So I don't know if I like it yet, if I'll keep it. I'm going to give it a little time and I will see how I feel. This feels super cluttered to me, so I think I need to get rid of stuff on here and just kind of clean all that up. Yay. Oh well, done for now.